subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. So we are again back with one of the new episodes of the top 3 series, and in today's video I'll be telling you top 3 ways to keep your vehicle maintained during the lockdown. I mean, we all know that from more than 1 month we have lockdown in our country and all our bikes and cars have been not in used. So I'll just give you 3 simple tips and tricks which you all can do for your car and bikes and keep them maintained. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, this is our parking, and I would suggest you the first step is always keep your bike or car under covered parking. I mean, I know at times in societies we do not have covered parking for most of the residents, but wherever possible try to keep your bike covered and under sunlight, I mean away from sunlight, because there are various reasons for that. First thing, if you keep your bike directly in the sunlight, it will make the paint fade away. Then the plastic parts which are there in bike, that may become brittle. And third thing which may happen if you keep your bike directly under sunlight is it will surely evaporate the fuel which is present in your bike. I mean, if you keep it for just 1 or 2 days, that is a different thing, but if you are keeping it for more than 1 week under sunlight, then definitely the fuel gets evaporated. So the first step is always keep your bike covered under covered parking, or at least you can put your covers to the bike if you do not have the covered parking. So guys, the second tip for today is, as you can see, I have put my bike on the main stand. So basically this tip would be definitely for 2-wheelers only. So I would recommend you all putting your bikes only on main stand. If at all you have trouble putting your 2-wheelers in main stand, or if there is some problem in main stand, you can put it on side stand, but make sure you at least move your vehicle. I mean, just for a short distance, but do not keep it in the same position for too many days, because the reason is the tire gets there is a fault in tire, so it becomes flat from that portion if you keep it for a long time under side stand. So the good option would be you put it in the main stand. So as you can see, I have put my bike in the main stand, so we have this clearance over here. As you can see, I mean, the weight is not put into the bike's tire, so that helps the tire from getting damaged. So this is the second tip which I would like to give you all. So now we'll talk about the third tip which would be useful for both bikes and car is, even though we are not using our bikes and cars these days, but still what can be done is we can after every 3 to 4 days we can just try and start our bike so that the battery is not damaged. So I'll just try to start my bike. So I'll just do it for you guys, and as I'm holding the camera, it would be a bit difficult for me, but you got the third point, that we also need to keep starting the bike and keep it in idle position for at least 2 to 3 minutes after every 3 days. So guys, these were the 3 tips which would help you all to maintain your bikes during the lockdown time. Hope you like this small video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel. Hit like to the videos. It gives me motivation to create such videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.